At just $1,999, you get built-in GPS on the smartwatch. You can check out the comprehensive detail of your workout with the map. You can share the QR code of your social media app directly from your smartwatch. Hi there! Here is the newly launched Fire-boltt Expedition. It's the first built-in GPS smartwatch from Fire-boltt and it's priced at just $1,999, which I think is unbelievable. Correct me if I'm wrong, it's probably the cheapest smartwatch with this feature. But there's more. It comes with Bluetooth calling, it comes with 120 plus sports modes, there's health tracking and even a damn gorgeous looking sporty design, which I absolutely love. Fire-boltt is really pushing the envelope with not only features but also super pocket-friendly pricing. Let's dive in deeper and review this smartwatch so you can decide you should buy the Fire-boltt Expedition or not. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging of the Fire-boltt Expedition. You can see the image of the watch here, comes with inbuilt GPS. Towards the back you can see some of its key features, QR code for the companion app. Towards the bottom some manufacturing details and the MRP of $21,999. But don't worry, you can get it for a lot lesser. Let's quickly open it up. So right on the top is the watch itself, the usual paperwork and coupon codes from Book My Show, from Ghana and the user manual. And finally, the pogo pin charging cable that magnetically aligns and attaches to the watch charging terminals. I must say, the magnets hold on really well and won't snap off easily. Alright, let's have a closer look at the watch. First thing, we'll get rid of the screen protector. There you go. Now first look and it reminds you of a very rugged Casio watch. Something like the Amazfit T-Rex 2. Very rugged and stylish. Looks like a tank. Check this out. Fully made of polycarbonate but feels really nice and premium in the hand. There are 3 buttons here, one on the top, one at the bottom and one in the center. This one is actually red and this red accent really stands out. By the way, this is also a rotating dial so you can scroll and use it for other purposes. Very nice quality silicone straps, quality is so good. Buckle design with 2 buckles here. So they should provide a good grip on your wrist. Really nice. Moving towards the back too is made of plastic and it has this screen protector here as well. Make sure you remove it so that the readings are more accurate. You can spot the heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, the charging terminals up here. There's also a speaker here which is going to assist you for phone calls. It's a really nice quality watch, I must say. Now most of you might think that it's very bulky, but it's actually pretty light. Very well built watch. The watch comes with IP67 rating, so it's dust and water resistant. You can wear it at the gym, for a run, in the rain, and yes, you can wear this watch even in the pool as this watch comes with swim tracking on board. Really cool. Alright, let's have a closer look at the display. Now as you press this button on the top, the display will wake up. You press this button again, the display will turn off. Now this comes with a 1.39-inch LCD display with a resolution of 360 by 360 pixels. Now because it's a high resolution display, you can read even the smallest text so clearly. Check that out. The smallest Monday, Tuesday is also very clear. Then you can use this side dial to change watch faces. Check that out. And really nice eye-catchy watch faces, I must say. Now I know a lot of people want to know about the bezels, so let's put this. Now this will give you an idea of the bezels. You can see there is no black space around the watch face, giving you a very seamless look. We'll just change one more. There you go. Now you'll get an idea that actually there are no bezels around the display, giving you a super seamless look. This is actually one of my favorite watch faces. I love the detail, everything that you need, analog clock, digital clock, date, everything is provided so clearly. Also it looks super stylish, goes with the black and red design as well. The color reproduction on this is pretty decent. Here you can see. Also the blacks are really nice, interface is very smooth. We briefly wore the watch outdoors during the day. I won't say it's the brightest, but still it's very clearly visible. Check that out. In fact, we switched to even a black watch face and this too under direct light is so clearly visible. Alright, let's have a quick look at the interface. So swipe from up to access the quick toggles. You have do not disturb, you have battery saving. This is to toggle phone calling on and off. Then this is the e-card reader. Now the e-card app is basically designed where you can save the QR code of a social media app like WhatsApp and Instagram and share with your friends directly from your smartwatch. Like for example, I want to share my Instagram QR, so I'll go to the Instagram app, go to share, take a screenshot. Now go to the DANT app on my phone, go to the e-card option, click on this icon, find the QR code which you had taken a screenshot for, and now change the name below to Instagram, and done. Then we take our watch, go to the e-card reader, And now you see the QR code of the Instagram app that you want to share. Now, if anyone scans this using their camera, there you go, they land up to your page instantly. So this is so convenient to share for your WhatsApp or your website directly from your smartwatch. Coming back, you can also adjust the brightness levels from here. You can go into the settings, you have display settings, your brightness, sleep tracking, watch faces, menu style can be changed, raise the wrist to toggle can be turned on and off. Then of course vibration and ringtone, do not disturb, low power mode, phone calling can be toggled on and off if you wanted to turn on. You can also turn on from media, which means if you're playing a song on your phone, you want it to play from the watch speaker or from the phone speaker. That too you can reset from here. Then you go to systems. By the way, you can use this dial to scroll up and down. Very, very convenient. Then in systems, restart, power off, reset. And if you go back here and swipe right, you can access the menu. There's activity, there's sleep tracking, there's heart rate, there's phone calling, there's exercise records, AI voice assistant, SpO2, weather, messages, camera shutter, music player, timer. Let's go into alarm, and the best part, you can actually set the time of the alarm directly from your watch. I love this feature. It's really, really important. Coming back, you have stopwatch, you have menstrual cycle tracking for women, find phone, you also have a calculator app. Then there are also games, there's 2048, there's battleship, and there's hamster. Now I must say that the interface is really, really smooth and super well optimized. Check that out. Let's check out phone calling. So to make phone calls from your watch, swipe right, go to the menu, go to the phone calling app. Here you'll see recent call, dial pad, and contacts. We're going to dial pad and randomly dialing a number and clicking dial. There you can see the phone is being dialed. Now the audio you're hearing right now is from the microphone of the watch itself, and it's pretty decently loud. Here you can of course mute the microphone, you can send this call to the phone, and you can end the call directly from here. Super convenient. Now similarly, you can also receive incoming calls directly on your smartwatch. Firstly, there's a ringtone and vibration alert. You can see the caller's name. You have an option to reject the call, silent the incoming call, or answer and talk directly using a smartwatch. Very, very helpful. And of course, similarly, you can mute the microphone. You can transfer this call to the phone. You can of course even control the volume from here. And after your conversation is done, you can end the call from here. Talking about the phone calling experience. Well, for starters, the speakers on this watch actually aren't very loud. So you might have trouble hearing when outdoors. However, when indoors, they are good enough. The other person could also hear me clearly, which means that the mics on the watch do a really good job. When it comes to fit and comfort, the straps provide a solid grip on the wrist. And though it might look bulky, it's actually quite light. In fact, I even wore it last night to track my sleep, and I didn't experience any discomfort. The watch looks great and feels even more amazing, especially for the price. Coming to health tracking. So we first tested the heart rate, and then we tested the SpO2. As you saw, we got the readings for both. Now, even though accurate, I would still say use these readings just for reference and not for medical purposes. Coming to fitness and workouts. So the Fire-boltt Expedition comes with over 120 plus workout modes, and to quickly access it, simply press this button on the side, and right here you will see GPS walking, GPS running, GPS cycling, GPS running trail, you have GPS on foot, then you have regular walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football, swimming, and if you go into swimming, you can use it for goal swimming or directly to start, climbing, tennis, rugby, golf, yoga, fitness, dancing, baseball, elliptical. Oh my god, that's a long list. And if you click this plus sign, you'll see popular sports, you'll see water sports, you'll see outdoor sports, you'll see training, you'll see dance workouts, combat sports, ball sports, winter sports, recreational sports, and other sports. So there's a huge collection of workouts that you can see here. Now we did use the watch briefly for a GPS outdoor workout, and I must say, it got a fix on the GPS really quickly. We used it for a short outdoor walk as well. Right here you can see all the details of the workout. Now to see more details about your workout, you go into the DANT app, you come into the second option, you'll see view training records, and here is my workout. So it will show you the map, it will show you details as steps, mileage, calories, average heart rate, pace, everything in detail right here on the app. And this is the benefit of GPS. You can actually see the trail of your workout on your smartphone later. So convenient and very, very helpful. Coming to the battery. Well, the Fire-boltt Expedition comes with a huge 300 mAh battery that will easily last you a week with typical use. However, with GPS and Bluetooth calling, expect that to be about 2 to 3 days. Also, it will depend on how you're using the watch. Let's have a quick look at the DANT companion app. So right here on the home page, you can see your health and workout related data. You have step tracking, all the details. Last night we wore the watch to track our sleep. Everything is available in detail. Then you have heart rate, blood pressure. In the second option, you can see you can use the phone's GPS to track your outdoor workouts as well. By the way, there's GPS on the watch as well, and you can see all the track records here. You can see the battery percentage. You can change the watch faces. So for example, these are pre-installed watch faces. They change instantly from here. Check that out. There you go. And of course, if you go in the last option, there's a watch face gallery. And from here, you can download many more watch faces, analog, digital. There's also an option to set custom watch face, which means you can use any image from your phone gallery as a watch face. And there you go. Custom watch face is set. Looks gorgeous. Then further, you can choose notifications. You can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Find device, set alarms, camera shutter, e-card for sharing QR codes. Then you have favorite contacts, others, upgrade. In the second option here, you can share data with Google Fit. Something I know a lot of people look forward to. So even if you change your watch in the future, all your data is backed up on Google Fit, which means you can access it on the other device as well. Really cool. So the DANT app is really convenient and easy to use. Alright, final thoughts. So the only con for me is the speaker. Trust me, it's clear, but it's just not as loud as I would wanted it to be. Of course, it's totally usable indoors for phone calls, but when outdoors, you might struggle a bit. However, I still don't see that as a deal breaker. For $1,999, the Fire-boltt Expedition is a steal. You get built-in GPS, you get a bezel-less display, a gorgeous design. Just go get it. It goes on sale today, 31st October, and is available in 4 colors. I'll share the links for all in the description. This one is easily recommended. By the way, Fire-boltt has also launched the Fire-boltt Quest today, that too with GPS, and is already on sale now on Amazon. Review for that watch is coming soon. Meanwhile, I'll share the link for that in the description. You can check that out as well. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.